even gotta ask.
Who's that?
Pity, pity pat, never had a handout, but I still made it slide.
Pre-order your Honor X90 5G and get a chance to win this Tesla Cybertruck.
We're finally here to award the biggest giveaway prize in the history of the smartphone brand for promos here in the Philippines. The grand winner of our Honor X90 Tesla Cybertruck giveaway raffle, please welcome here on stage Miss Laureline Pelonia.
How does it feel na ikaw yung nanalo?
Nung nalaman ko yun, hindi ako makapaniwala. Sobrang na-excite, naging masaya. Yun yung mga naramdaman.
May konting kaba talaga.
Oo, may kaba. Kasi mamaya, scam eh.
What was the reason kung bakit niya binili yung Honor X95?
Ang pinaka-reason talaga niyan is company purposes. Hindi siya para pang sarili lang. Pero syempre, may part na naki-join. Durable. Battery niya is sobrang lifespan talaga. Maasahan mo talaga pwede kang sabing pang lifetime eh. Kung talagang maingat ang gagamit, di ba?
What do you think of the whole journey process for the Honor X90 5G?
Ang ganda yung impact niya at first when it was first revealed. A lot of people don't know. Akala nila fake raffle lang to. But actually, ang dami kasing entries at na-meet yung winner kanina.
What can you do to top this off? Like, you already raffled the car, you've raffled premium watch. What comes next? Like, you have a very durable phone, you have foldable, one of the thinnest foldables on the market, most powerful phones.
Si Marvin ang nakapagbenta ng winning Honor X90 5G pre-order smartphones. Yung nalaman mo na Cybertruck yung ipapamigay natin, ano yung pumapasok sa utak mo?
Naging happy po kasi yung client ko po yung nanalo po no other Cybertruck. Pinrasis ko lang din po yung pre-order ko po and then same time, wala na talaga sa isip po na mananalo po yung client.
So guys, we're on the way to the Balichas site na kung saan nakatira si Miss Laureline Pelonia. We're the one who's going there to deliver the Cybertruck itself. I'm happy na finally, ma-award na natin and deliver itong Cybertruck sa kanya. Here is your official LTO and ORCR. And of course, your key
Thank you.
to the Tesla Cybertruck.
Thank you, Honor Philippines, for this. Sana manalo din kayo katulad ko. Thank you!